Are we rolling? You know, being an architect with the design of it, you have to have your finishes, you have to have your design set in stone, right? Because once it's built in the factory, that's it. So how does that impact the whole schedule and decision making and change order process and things like that?
Yeah, well, I can tell you that we worked very closely with MODLOGIQ's team throughout the design process. There was a lot of coordination. We had many meetings with our in-house team and MODLOGIQ's team to make sure that all the systems were coordinated and all the finishes were coordinated with the envelope. You know, we use BIM, Building Information Modeling, so we have an actual physical, three-dimensional virtual model that we developed. We also shared that with MODLOGIQ's team and all of our engineering consultants and structural engineers, the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing engineers, and we all sat down at the table and worked around that model. We run clash detections to make sure there are no clashes with the independent systems.
Do you see modular construction being the new way of the world?
Well, it depends what's best for the client. I mean, and I think that, you know, again, if a project calls for offsite construction for the reasons that I mentioned before, mainly the schedule and or a tight, you know, constraining site, then offsite construction is a good solution to those problems. There are many applications for it, more so being realized now that I think people are open to it now. People are starting to see that it is actually a permanent building. It's not, you know, modular. It's not temporary. It's a permanent structure, and there are many inherent benefits in utilizing a permanent offsite construction.
Everything here was completed at MODLOGIQ. So with that, every piece as they take it out, as we go to split the building, they take their piece, they tie it to the closest point where it's going to get put back together.
Anywhere you see them zip tied up there, so it makes it easy when you get on site. Your material's already here. We're educating